you write that this NRA organization where you worked has, quote, blood on its hands. What do you mean specifically by that?
Well, it does. If you look back, first off, let's unpack this a little bit. What the Attorney General is alleging is really she's at the tip of the iceberg with this entire problem, which is decades of corruption, of no bid contracts that have no metrics to them, no deliverables to them, automatic escalators that have gone on to the tune of hundreds of millions of dollars as this comes forward. All of this is on the backdrop of raising money on the auspices of fear, right? It's really easy to raise money when you talk about that Hillary Clinton and Joe Biden are going to magically drop in black helicopters and take your guns from you and then go raise money off of that. And the reality is what's happened over the course of 30 years is you created a group that ostensibly lobbies for the fringe of the entire Second Amendment movement. There's 100 million gun owners.
Let me pause you on that. Let me pause you just because you're going through several important things. When you talk about that in the hundreds of millions of dollars, is part of your observation from the inside that even apart from the legitimate gun debate in this country, that the organization morphed into kind of a con, defrauding gun supporters?
That's exactly right. At the end of the day, you're talking about, ripping off, millions of NRA dues-paying members every year for the past, 25 years anyways. This rolls back all the way to the early 90s when Wayne himself was accused of the exact same allegations that he's being accused of today. They just got rid of those people on the board, swept it under the rug, and kept rolling. And the reality of it is that this is really, when you dive into this, you're talking about massive amounts of corruption and fraud where there's these no bid contracts, there's no measurables, there's nothing against the backside of it. And this is the part that will blow this whole thing sky high.
The New York Attorney General investigation is serious, as mentioned. Have you been in contact with that probe in any way?
Well, I can't speak about, that sort of stuff, but you can certainly assume that my attorneys have been in contact with the Attorney General.
In what nature are you cooperating?
Look, I'm obviously, I wrote this book to bring forward all of these allegations of fraud and corruption and put a much bigger light on this entire issue. And on one side of it, as you know, there is this corruption side, and on the other side of it, it's literally, raising money off of fear. And I think, to me, that is blood on your hands, because in the middle, what we end up with is a debate here that we can't get to any solutions. So what do? We've got one side that, is pushed to, I want to ban guns, and the other side that says no to everything. And in the meantime, you've got a problem in this country. You can think whatever you want, but there is a gun violence problem in this country.
Hey, I'm Ari Melber from MSNBC. You can see more of our videos right here, or better yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel below. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us, and we appreciate that.